welcome back to my channel, Saving Mamacita. For those of you who are brand new, welcome. We are going to do a very fun unboxing, and this is going to be, I know I say I'm excited every freaking time, but I am really excited because I love unboxings, and if you love unboxings, this is the channel where you want to be. Just hit that notification bell to be notified when I have a new video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down there. We are going to unbox this food box called Nuttyscoopz. Isn't that cute? Look at that little, it looks like a little squirrel, doesn't it? Nuttyscoopz, sweetened by nature. I love peanut butter. Peanut butter is my jam, and I'm so excited to unbox this box. It's called Nuttyscoopz. It is a subscription box service, and there are so many different options that you can choose when you're signing up for the subscription box. In fact, you get a monthly, you can get it monthly, you can get a 2-pack or a 4-pack, or you can do it every other month, or you can do it quarterly. There's so many different options and different price points that fit your budget and your needs.
A few moments later.
All right, let's open it up. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at that packaging. Looky. Okay, so on the top it says, thank you so much for your purchase of this Nuttyscoopz snack pack. Our artisan peanut butter dips are curated in small batches and are minimally processed with no artificial ingredients or preservatives. They are sugar-free, cha-ching, and sweetened by nature using all natural, 0-calorie, 0-glycemic sweetener that tastes like sugar. Girl, So you can feel good about fueling your body with a protein punch. Our dips have only added fiber and are sea salted. Help spread the word, nuttyscoopz.com. Let's open up the box and see. Oh my goodness, look it. Nuttyscoopz peanut butter dip. Look at that, you guys. Doesn't that look so delicious? Okay, so inside it has 2 big peanut butter dips. It looks amazing. So amazing. This one is actually peanut butter dip with jelly, sea salted. So as you can see, there's jelly in it. You can see that. This one is peanut butter dip, regular sea salted. So, are you guys getting hungry? My belly is getting hungry. All right, so then they have a little card in here. This is Tina. She's the owner and founder of Nuttyscoopz Sweetened by Nature. And she has her address on here and the website. It says Artisan Peanut Butter Dip Subscription Box. Kind of cool. Excuse me, we have more. We have more peanut butter dip. Hello. This is the peanut butter dip heat sea salted, and another regular sea salted. Okay, we're pretty much set up here. We've got 4 peanut butter dips. She gave me 2 regular sea salted, a heat sea salted. I don't know what the difference is with that. The heat? I don't know. And then also in the box, she has some different snacks. Look at that. Some awesome snacks that we can use to dip the peanut butter in. So we've got the chai tea latte energy bites. We've got the Made Good mixed berry granola minis. Ooh, those sound amazing. And then we've got Valentine X&O shaped pretzels. Look at that. We've got a fortune cookie. And we've got a dark chocolate chip Yes bar, world's best tasting snack bar. And this is vegan, paleo, gluten-free, and it has a ton of protein and nuts in it. So this is another thing you can use to dip your peanut butter in. So, oh my gosh, that's so exciting. And we have a couple little, I don't know what these are, but these are Sesame Crunch Sugar Sesame Crunches. Joyva? Joyva? Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, we have a Caddyshack Ranch Wildlife Sanctuary brochure. And if you go on their website at Nuttyscoopz.com, you will see that they do donate part of their proceeds to the Caddyshack, and that is why they have this included in there, because they do donate to this cause. So very cool. You guys know that I love subscription boxes that donate to causes, and Tina, you freaking nailed it. I love animals too. Awesome. So awesome. And then also in the box, they have a little scoop. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and we are gonna try the Nuttyscoopz. Are you guys excited? I am so excited. So that is a very full box, actually. I got the 4 peanut butter dips, and I got snacks to use for my dip already. But I went ahead and I bought some actual other snacks. I did some pretzels, I did some sliced apples, and I also did some pretzels, Kit Kats, Oreos, Hershey's bars, and some wafers. So vanilla wafers and chocolate wafers. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try these dips right now. What I discovered when I was reading the label of the Heat Nuttyscoopz dip is that that particular dip has cayenne pepper in it. So if you guys know what cayenne pepper is, it is spicy. It is a spicy seasoning. So I decided I wanted to give that one a try for sure. So I feel like I should try the normal dip first and not go with the cayenne one yet, because we want to keep a clean palate here and try, give it an honest shot here. So let's go ahead and try the regular sea salted Nuttyscoopz peanut butter. So what should I do? I think I'm gonna do the apple, just because a lot of people love apples with peanut butter. I love apples with peanut butter, so we're gonna give this a shot. Okay, so it looks like we need to stir it up a little bit. Look at how creamy and delicious that looks. Oh my goodness. It's very thick too. I like a lot of peanut butter on mine. Look at that. This is legit. Not kidding around. This is freaking amazing. I don't really taste the sea salt that much. I just taste it's so creamy and it's so nutty flavored. OMG. Tina. Yes, girl. Yes, Tina. You freaking rock this. Yeah. Okay. Now what should I try? Should we try the granola bite? Okay, she had the granola bites. I have peanut butter all over my fingers. That's the only thing, is it's a little messy. But who cares when you're eating peanut butter? Granola bites. It's got raisins in it. Oats. Oh my gosh, that's heavenly. Heavenly. You guys, this is freaking legit. Okay, let's try the cayenne pepper one. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do a pretzel with it, because I feel like the salty might, you know, collaborate well with the cayenne pepper. I don't know. Let's give it a shot. Okay. Here we go. The pretzel and the cayenne pepper. Stir it up a little bit. Let's look at that, you guys. Okay, here we go. Honestly, I don't really, it's not an overpowering taste. It's Sticks on the top of my mouth though, the roof of my mouth. But it's so creamy and it's so decadent. It's just, oh my gosh, it's so good, like so good. I could sit here all day and eat. So good. What do you guys think? Nuttyscoopz, it freaking amazing, you guys. If you love peanut butter, this is going to be your jam. Like I am not kidding about this. This is so freaking amazing. So let's give this box a rating. And what we base it off is the price point, the quality, the packing, the display, all of it, the overall subscription box. You guys know my scale. You should know it by now. 1, scale of 1 to 10. 1 is no, girl, nope, don't do it. Or 10. Yes, freaking queen. Yes, buy it. You have to. You have to. So here we go. You guys ready for the Nuttyscoopz rating? This one is an 8. Nuttyscoopz, you're an 8 in my book. 8. You guys, I had so much fun doing this one. If you liked my video, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment. Come back for more videos weekly, and we will see you in the next one.